Happy new month, happy new week, and happy new day. Today we're going to start our analysis by looking for looking out for opportunity within the month, within the week, and within today. So it might be a very long and short one, but we never know until we try to see what price give us. No market lead we follow. That's our mantra always. You have to, and we are the first half of we are entering the last month of the first half of the year. So at the same time, we still have to be very, very careful. With the way price is delivering these days, you know, you already know that, okay, we have to exercise a lot of care in the markets. Don't forget, let's start from 4 hour. Anyway, we established markets being in a consolidation on 4 hour level. As you can see, for our level, we establish markets being within a consolidation. But mind you, we did establish uh, the high and the low of the consolidation. And mind you, anything whenever it comes to price like that, we just have to pick the last high and the last low, which happens to be this level one. So we can just term it the stronger low on the something on major structure and year. So money has been transferred to this level as well, which happens to be, let's term it weak high, at least for now, for most of the analysis. So here happens to be the high and the low of our consolidation, where we'll be anticipating price to break above. You understand? So, and mind you, we break above this level and we close above it. So what are we expecting from that level? But if you take it further and go on daily time frame, you will see that our established range has created another range here. So which and price did not properly close above our established range, and it's kind of uh internal structure from within this level. So we can see that price has created a new high, and this new high will be our new range that we'll be dealing with as our consolidative point in the market. And as you can see, we are coming from all these levels, and price is just throwing wicks. And for the fact that it's throwing wicks, just with the fact that we are within consolidation, we see a very nice price movement from all these levels or something. And if you did trade with me last week, you will see, and if we check closely on this level here, see that we banked something on Thursday, and on Friday we were able to kind of, have a very nice movement in the market. So giving us 1 to 5, making normal, I mean 1 to 5, double 1 to 5 because of the uh point of interest pips that we have, little pips, so that we'll be able to capitalize on it. Personally, I did capitalize on only 1 to 3, but we see a very nice movement from within the level. Even if we are just 1 to 5, should have been a massive something for us. So here we are, and just like I said, we're just going to try and see what price is going to do for us on lower time frame without actually. So now here we are. We will try and do the analysis at least for the day and for the week. Try and see what the week is doing. And as you can see from within this level, we have this happens to be a swing point for us. We break below this consolidation on weekly. If you watch previous episodes, you will understand what we have within this level. Break below it, and we are anticipating to continue to sell. But running into another consolidation on 4 hour and on lower time frame, we can see that at the end of the day, it creates what is it called for us, a swing point for us. And with what price is doing, establishing this new high, and as you can see, and low for our new level to for price to break it down above or below for us to be able to continue either to buy or to sell in the market. The new determinant actually peak last week high and last week low. So for that reason, but with the fact that we are having a swing from this level, we can be anticipating buy in the market. And that align perfectly with what we have on 4 hour. As you can see, price broke above this high, and we have this level. Price is still trading within this level. Mind is a new week open, so price can still continue to go into the highs, and this can be an established new trend for us, which will be our low or high, higher high. I mean, this will be the high, this will be our higher low, this will be our higher high. Then the trend can form and come out from within that level. And 4 hour can actually mean, for the fact that we have this level, that we've broke above this consolidation into the highs. And if we look at monthly, we can still see that with what we are having here, anything can still happen. Because on a larger scale of things, we are within consolidation. And as you can see, this is the new high. And I mean, this is the low that we have within the market now. And we've been trading within this level for some time now, for like since January. So our last month, April, I mean May, happens to be an inside bar of this candle. And we for the month of March, we can see that price did take the liquidity during April, take the liquidity above a high of something, but we did not close either below or above the previous candle. And May happens to be an inside bar. So wherever price breakthrough into will be the determinant where price is going to be going. Then we can have the liquidity below this low being taken, and liquidity above this high also being rated. So anything can happen. We just have to be open enough to see. Since we are playing within a massive consolidation on longer time frame, then we have to be just very, very careful. And daily, as you can see, we are still within inside bar, and we have these two high, the previous daily high, the previous daily low, as our liquidity points that we can still be expecting and anticipating that either of the two will be taken at least today. So if we have these 2 points in the market, then automatically we can just go on lower time frame, try to see what price is doing currently. And as you can see, personally, I still want to believe based on daily that we are within this level. And what we'll be anticipating next is this established range on this new range that has been established on 4 hour. So we can still term this level as our strong low. And from within this level, whichever place price either close above or below will be the direction we're going to follow. And if we look closely from daily perspective, we will see that price might actually be reversing from within this level, because we have a shift, we have this level there, and here might actually be the level that is going to be sending price now. But for us to be able to capitalize on whatever price is doing, we're going to stick to this 4 hour range, and we're going to let this hourly range determine what we're going to do in the market. So let me just give you what I'm expecting on lower time frame, so that at least we'll be able to know what we can capitalize on, at least for today. So we're able to capitalize on something like this on during Friday and something. For the fact that price is ranging doesn't mean we cannot trade within it, and we cannot still make something out of it. So let's go back to our analysis. Something I'm using a handout for the analysis. Then we have this level within the something. This would have been a perfect sell for us from this shift. But for the fact that it's throwing wicks and there is no imbalance, there is nothing, we cannot totally bank on it. So my expectation moving forward is either price continue to create a new shift for us, either price create a new shift for us, then we retest the shift and we anticipate a massive movement in the markets, or we have something like this. We have price. break above this high here, break above the high, and you know, can continue to have something like this within the market. So anything can happen. Anything can happen within the market. Anything can just happen. So this level is going to be our determining level, whether price is going to go up or is going to come down. And for the fact that we have this level, it's a signal that price might actually want to come down. But for with the way price is reacting from this level, we cannot totally bank on it because of what? Because price is there is proper mitigation. Apart from that, it's trailing weeks and it's filled. So there is no imbalance, there is no fair value or anything. It's hovering fair value. So we might not totally do that, but we can be anticipating these two levels. Let me just establish the level so that at least it's going to be our determining level. Either price break below this low now, create a new shift for us and it's go lower, or price break above. So we will be having these two something. So it's either price break below again, okay, and retest the level and come down. So these are the two anticipation that we have in the market. So just going to apply your something carefully and try to use proper risk management. Mind you, anything can happen. Price leads, we follow. So something happened that way, then you know you have to use your proper risk management. That's our only edge in the market. Price can do whatever it likes. So that'll be all at least for now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable